Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add your Nanako card to Apple Wallet. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down to the section that says Find Apps for Wallet. Tap Get. This will take you straight to the App Store. Now, search for and download the Nanako app. Once the app is installed, open it and go to your Nanako card. Near your card details, you should see an option that says Add to Apple Wallet. Simply tap that, follow the prompts, and your Nanako card will be added to your Apple Wallet and ready to use. And that's it. That's how to add your Nanako card to Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.